The release of the DJI Osmo 360 and the strong rumors surrounding the DJI Osmo Nano represent two distinctly different approaches to capturing the world, one rooted in immersive, high-resolution 360-degree cinematography, and the other focused on ultra-lightweight, AI-powered point-of-view storytelling. Comparing them is not as simple as tallying specifications. Instead, it's about dissecting their intended use cases, underlying engineering philosophies, and the creative possibilities they unlock. This is a head-to-head examination not of which is better, in an absolute sense, but which is better for you, your workflow, and your creative vision. The DJI Osmo 360 brings out the heavy artillery in terms of sensor technology, sporting a 1-inch CMOS sensor, an impressive size for a 360 camera, paired with dual wide-angle lenses. This sensor architecture is not just about resolution, but about dynamic range, low-light capability, and noise suppression. In real-world terms, it means night cityscapes remain crisp, shadows retain detail, and highlight roll-off approaches cinematic smoothness. The 8K 30 video output is not simply a marketing number. With the large photo sights of a 1-inch sensor, the 360's footage should exhibit a noticeable leap in clarity and tonal accuracy compared to smaller sensor competitors. By contrast, the DJI Osmo Nano is rumored to take a more restrained approach in sensor size, prioritizing portability and power efficiency over sheer surface area. While exact details about its sensor are still speculative, the 4K 60 capture capability suggests it's optimized for speed and stabilization rather than massive resolution. DJI's choice here is intentional. The Nano is not designed to replicate the Osmo 360's immersive detail, but rather to excel in nimble, real-world scenarios where a bulky camera simply wouldn't fit. For creators on the move, the trade-off in sensor size may be more than worth it. If your priority is uncompromising image fidelity, the Osmo 360 clearly leads. It offers 8K 30 recording in full 360-degree mode, enabling not only future-proof content, but also flexibility in post-production reframing. In single-lens mode, it still delivers impressive specs: 4K 120 for extreme slow motion and 5K 60 for high-detail action sequences. The 170-degree and 155-degree fields of view, respectively, are wide enough for immersive perspectives without excessive fisheye distortion. The Osmo Nano, meanwhile, is capped at 4K 60, but that's not a limitation for most use cases in its category. It compensates with advanced AI-driven stabilization that ensures ultra-smooth playback even in high-motion environments, a critical feature for POV sports, vlogs, and travel diaries. Additionally, vertical shooting mode, dynamic zoom, gesture controls, and AI tracking provide a more hands-free, adaptive shooting experience. This makes the Nano's 4K output far more engaging in fast-paced storytelling contexts than its raw resolution might suggest. Still photography is where the Osmo 360 flexes its muscles in an almost absurd fashion. 120 megapixel 360-degree stills, equivalent to 16K resolution. For photographers, this means enormous latitude for cropping, virtual zooming, and large format printing. The level of detail captured allows for immersive VR experiences or panoramic stills with staggering clarity. The Osmo Nano, by comparison, is unlikely to compete directly in still resolution. While exact megapixel counts haven't been confirmed, its form factor and target audience suggest a focus on capturing quick, high-quality social media-ready shots rather than ultra-high-resolution photography. This makes sense. The Nano is about storytelling in motion, not freezing hyper-detailed landscapes. Stabilization is one of DJI's strong suits, and both models approach it from different angles. The Osmo 360 uses a combination of hardware stabilization and advanced image processing to keep 8K footage stable, a demanding task given the pixel density. It's built to handle walking shots, vehicle mounts, and even drone integration without sacrificing horizon lock or frame smoothness. The Osmo Nano pushes stabilization even further in terms of AI integration. Its rumored stabilization system adapts on the fly to changing motion profiles, meaning whether you're sprinting, biking over rough terrain, or simply filming a handheld walk, the Nano keeps the footage level and fluid. The magnetic mounting system also reduces vibration transmission, enhancing stability at the mechanical level. The Osmo 360 is compact for a 360 camera, but it's still a dual-lens, 1-inch sensor system. It's designed to be carried in a small bag, not slipped into your jeans pocket. Its 2-inch touchscreen makes control intuitive, but it still requires a degree of deliberate setup for optimal framing. The Osmo Nano, in contrast, embraces a modular, ultra-lightweight philosophy. Weighing under 180 grams and potentially as light as 39 grams for the camera unit alone, it redefines portability. This is a camera you can wear, mount on a helmet, clip to a strap, or magnetically attach to virtually any surface without feeling weighed down. The foldable brushed metal design merges style with durability, making it a lifestyle accessory as much as a tool. In terms of endurance, the Osmo 360 is well equipped for extended shoots. It not only features robust battery life, but also 128 gigabytes of built-in storage, a rare and welcome inclusion, along with support for up to 1 terabyte micro SD cards. That means you can shoot 8K all day without juggling cards or worrying about data bottlenecks. The Osmo Nano, with its 2 to 2.5 hour runtime, is more in line with typical POV action cams. USB-C fast charging ensures you can top up quickly between shoots, but long, uninterrupted high-resolution filming sessions are not its primary purpose. Storage capacity will likely depend on micro SD expansion rather than generous built-in memory. The DJI OSMO 360 is the choice for creators who want to push technical limits. Documentary filmmakers, VR content producers, high-end YouTubers, and commercial clients needing immersive footage. It thrives in controlled shoots where setup time and data handling are part of the process, and its massive resolution ensures content remains relevant for years as display technology evolves. The DJI OSMO Nano, on the other hand, is a storyteller's companion. It's built for movement, spontaneity, and environments where carrying a large camera would break immersion. POV sports, daily vlogs, behind-the-scenes filmmaking, and integrated drone footage are all natural fits. It's less about capturing everything and more about capturing your experience.